What mysteries are hidden inside the sacred Kaaba of Mecca? For centuries, this black-clad cube has stood as a beacon of faith, drawing millions of pilgrims from around the world. But what truly lies within its walls? In a bustling market just outside the sacred city of Mecca, a young historian named Amina pondered this very question. Amina had always been captivated by stories of the Kaaba, and for years, she dreamt of uncovering its secrets. Her fascination extended beyond the structure itself to the rich tapestry of history and spirituality it represented. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden hue over the city, Amina received a rare opportunity to enter the Kaaba. Guided by a knowledgeable elder, she felt a mix of excitement and reverence. Approaching the entrance, the soft murmurs of pilgrims engaged in prayer surrounded her. As the heavy curtains were drawn aside, Amina stepped inside. The interior was surprisingly serene, illuminated by soft light filtering through small windows. The walls were adorned with rich, intricate designs, but her gaze was drawn to the black stone embedded within one of the walls, the Hajar al-Aswad. Amina felt an inexplicable pull toward the stone, said to have been given to Abraham by the angel Gabriel, a reminder of faith and devotion. As she touched the stone, a rush of history flooded her senses. She envisioned the ancient prophets, the tribes of Arabia, and the countless pilgrims who had visited this sacred site over the centuries. The elder began recounting stories of the Kaaba's past. The Kaaba was first built by the prophet Abraham and his son Ishmael, he explained. They constructed it as a sanctuary dedicated to the worship of one Allah, a place where people could gather to seek guidance and express their devotion. The elder continued, its construction was a divine command, a fulfillment of Allah's promise to Abraham. It became the first house of worship for humanity, symbolizing monotheism. Over time, it has served as a unifying force for people from different backgrounds and cultures. Amina listened intently, her heart swelling with pride at the thought of such a profound legacy. And why do people go around it? She asked, intrigued. The act of circumambulating the Kaaba, known as tawaf, symbolizes the unity of believers in the worship of the one Allah, the elder explained. As pilgrims walk around it 7 times in a counterclockwise direction, they align themselves with the cosmic order and the centrality of faith in their lives. As Amina listened, she began to see visions. She witnessed the moment when Abraham built the Kaaba with his son Ishmael, laying the foundation of a house dedicated to Allah under the blazing sun. She saw prophets gathering around the Kaaba, sharing messages of peace and unity, turning it into a symbol of monotheism that drew believers from distant lands. She felt the energy of thousands of pilgrims during Hajj, each step echoing the prayers of those who had come before, a tapestry of unity woven through faith. Suddenly, Amina found herself back in the present, the elder's voice breaking through her reverie. The Kaaba serves as a reminder of our shared faith, he said, but it also reflects the challenges we face today. Amina pondered this. The world outside was filled with division and strife. The Kaaba's message of unity was more relevant than ever. She realized that the secrets of the Kaaba were not just historical, they were lessons for the present and the future. Standing in silence, Amina felt a deep connection to the generations of believers who had stood in that spot seeking solace and strength. She thought about her own life, her struggles, and the importance of community and faith. The elder placed a reassuring hand on her shoulder, sensing her contemplation. Remember, Amina, the Kaaba's true power lies not just in its structure, but in the hearts of those who visit it. It is a beacon of hope. After what felt like both an eternity and a fleeting moment, it was time to leave. Amina stepped out of the Kaaba, her heart full. She looked around at the pilgrims, each absorbed in their prayers and reflections. The Kaaba stood steadfast, a silent guardian of faith. As she walked away, Amina felt a renewed sense of purpose. She would share the stories and lessons of the Kaaba with the world. It was not merely a building, it was a living symbol of faith, unity, and resilience. So, what lies within the Kaaba? Its greatest secrets are not just the historical artifacts or architectural wonders, they are the stories of faith, hope, and humanity's shared journey. Amina knew that her exploration had just begun, and she was determined to carry its message forward, inspiring others to seek unity in diversity, just as the pilgrims had done for centuries. And as the sun set over Mecca, casting a warm glow on the sacred site, Amina felt a deep sense of peace, knowing that the story of the Kaaba would continue to inspire generations to come. What are your thoughts on the Kaaba of Mecca? Leave your comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more fascinating historical insights. Thanks for joining me on this journey.